Hi Dressy Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're drawing bao dumpling. So let's get started. To draw this super cute steamed dim sum, let's first start by drawing the top of our bao. So we're going to start right here with 3 little curves. So come right here, let's draw one, little one here, and then we're going to draw a center one, and then another one. Going the other way, just like a little crown at the top. Then from there, we're just going to go ahead and draw this big, yummy, very full dumpling shape. So I'm just going to go out, and let's come about right here, go around. So my goal is just to make it nice and round and full. And I'm going to bring it down, start to curve it in a little bit to maybe about right here. And I'm going to bring this to the other side at the same height. So I'm just going to drag this across and approximate right here. I'll end the other side. So now that I have these 2 curves at about the same height, I'm going to go ahead and connect it with a soft curve. So let's go ahead and let's say about right here's my center. So that'll become my lowest point. And then I'm going to go right back up to connect to the other side. There. So I'm just cutting it off because I need to put it into the dim sum tray. But if you wanted to just draw a regular bao, just round this part off to draw the base. Okay, so now that we have this, we're going to continue this curve and draw kind of like this big oval. So we draw this curve, and let's see here, let's bring it up to about, let's say about right here. So we're just kind of drawing it sitting inside this opening. Then I'm going to drag this point across approximately about right here, and let's do the same thing. And we're going to connect back to this curve. So we're just creating this oval for our bao to sit in. So now that we have that, let's thicken this part up. So I'm going to give it a little bit of a trim. And then we're going to go around. So it's going to get a little bit thicker as we come down. So same thing here, just a thin trim. And then let's go ahead and thicken it up. So just bring this down. And definitely turn your body or the paper if you need to. And I'm just going to go ahead and follow this curve that I've drawn and go all the way across. There. Okay, so sorry for my sketchy lines, but this just makes it a little bit not as scary for me to just draw this big curve, right? And then I can always go back in there and make it more solid, or clean it up, or make a mess. But I'll definitely do some cleaning up after. Okay, so now that I have that little rim, we're going to come right here on this part and come down, straight down to draw the sides of our tray. So let's say here, and there. Let's bring this down a little bit more. Now we're about the same level. I'm going to go ahead and round this part off, and here as well, to finish our tray. So it's just way harder because I'm drawing so big. So I have to be a little bit more cautious when I draw these curves. But hopefully you're drawing smaller at home and it's just a little bit easier. Okay, so now that I have this, we have that in, we can go ahead and bring this bao to life. Oh, and the most important thing we need to make this look like a bao is come right here at the top. And I'm going to lightly draw one curve going this way, another one going this way, and then another one slightly in the center. So then, of course, we need to bring it to life. So let's say about right here, I'm going to put in a big circle for some draw so cute eyes. And then another one right across about, say, this wide. There. Okay, so now my two circles in, let's make them draw so cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. There. Okay, so now that I have that, I'm going to come to the top of each eye and just draw a soft curve over each eye. And then in between, let's draw a sweet smile. So I'm just going to come right here and draw a little curve and cap it off. And then when you're coloring, you can add some cheeks. And let's see here, I'm going to put a little heart right here on our dim sum tray here. And when you're coloring as well, you can just kind of draw this curve right here in the tray color just to give it some more definition. But that is pretty much it for my Draw So Cute steamed bao dumpling dim sum. I really hope I helped you draw this fun and easy today, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.